Naghahanap ka ba ng bagong handheld gaming devices? Cyberzone has got it all for you. Today, pag-usapan natin where to find the hottest handheld gaming consoles at Cyberzone. If you're a fan of Lenovo, you can find the Lenovo Legion Go and Lenovo Legion Go S at Lenovo Concept Stores and their official retail partners within Cyberzone. These powerful devices offer top-notch gaming experience on the go and depending on your budget. Now, for Asus enthusiasts, head over to Asus ROG Concept Stores and their official retail partners at Cyberzone. The ROG Ally and ROG Ally X are perfect for those who want seamless gaming with Steam, Xbox Game Pass, and more. And if you're interested in other brands like GPD, MSI, OneXPlayer, and Ayaneo, you can find them at DataBlitz, Game One Tech Store, and similar retailers within Cyberzone. These stores offer a wide range of options for gamers looking for something unique. Some of the key stores to visit at Cyberzone include Accent Hub, Complink, DataBlitz, Game One Tech Store, PC Express, Silicon Valley, and Vilman. Each of these stores offers a unique selection of gaming devices and accessories. O paano? That's it for today. Whether you're looking for Lenovo, Asus, MSI, or other brands, Cyberzone has got you covered. Visit these stores today and take your gaming experience to the next level.